to another Trendmood Box unboxing. I don't even remember when this one's from, but I've needed to unbox it for a while, so we shall see what is in this one. Oh, I think this was kind of one of like the random mystery grab bag ones, so okay. I'm looking around in here. I'm seeing some dupes. I'm seeing some new stuff, so let's just dive in. So first thing in here is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, which is definitely a repeat from the e.l.f. box they did. Also definitely a repeat from e.l.f. itself, so I really need to figure out cleansing balms, because clearly I have quite a few of them lying around that need to be used. So, just saying. This, I think, is new. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. And it is a pigment palette. Which one is it? Does it have a name? I'm not sure it has a name. It just has, like, all this, like, stuff all over it that's kind of cool. Like, I'm sure if I googled the color names, I could figure it out. Like, the color names are Really Pretty, Rena, Self-Made, Boss Babe, Powerful Bitch, and Empire. So, the palette itself. Yeah, like literally there is nothing on here that tells me the name of the actual palette either, because it just is again random stuff. Which, I mean, it's cool. I like the aesthetic, but it is not helping. Born to Make History. Maybe it's the Born to Make History palette. Okay, so they have like a cloudy film over the mirror, so I'm actually able to do this for once. Cool! So here is our colors. I'm loving how sparkly that top middle one is. Like, that is really cool. Really, really cool. This is like giving me such On Wednesdays We Wear Pink vibes. Like, this easily could have been a Mean Girls palette. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So, we have that, which can go somewhere, I guess here for now. I'll put it away proper later. Then from Derm Store, we have their Daily Mineral Sunscreen, Sheer Tint, Broad Spectrum SPF 40, which is a good size. Hopefully it's a nice light tint, because otherwise I won't be able to wear it. Expectation, reality. Alright, so let's take a peeky. Oh yeah, that's nice and light. Okay, thank God. Because I was like, I swear if this is even tan, I'm gonna have to resell and try to get like one in my skin tone. But okay, it's nice and light. So, do we have an expiration date? Cool! It's good till July of next year. I have time to use it. Awesome! So, all too often in, like, these grab bag type, like, beauty boxes, they'll send ones that are, like, right on the cusp of expiring, and there's, like, no way humanly possible to use the thing up before it goes bad when it comes to the SPF one. So, it's refreshing to see one that actually has some time on it to use it up. So, love to see that. Love to see that. From also Dominique Cosmetics, we have Soft Focus Demi Matte Lipstick in Pretty Natural. Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to say we've reviewed this before. I want to say we have. Is it? I'm looking on this table up here. I feel like it might even be up here right now. But I don't want to, like, mess with stuff too much and make things fall. But I'm like, I could swear we have done this one, guys. Like, and not even that long ago. I should go back through my channel history and see, because, like, I am so freaking certain we have done this one. So, with that in mind, I'm gonna keep this in the box, because if we've done it, I'm gonna resell this bad boy. And I don't want to mess up the box if we're doing that. So, yeah. So, let's just put that aside over here for now, just to be safe. Then, from Basha, we have Berry Blend Smoothing Facial with 28% Acid Complex. A supercharged, radiance-boosting facial mask comprised of a 28% acid complex intensely refines and resurfaces lackluster skin for a visibly dramatic, smooth, and youth-enhanced complexion. An antioxidant-rich blend of strawberry and blueberry extracts, blackcurrant and blueberry enzymes help diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles to improve texture while sweeping away dead skin cells for an extra bright post-facial glow. To use, apply a generous even layer to clean, dry skin and leave on for 20 minutes. You may experience a tingling sensation. Gently rinse face and remove excess with a damp face cloth. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Okay. So that actually sounds pretty good. Let's put that over here. I'd like to use that soon, actually. This we've actually gotten from Trendmood before. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray Fixint in... They have multiples of these. I'm trying to figure out... Yeah, this is the mango scented one. Which I like mango, so I'm going to hold on to that anyway, even though I already have one, because you can never have too much setting spray, right? Right. So. And finally, this is new. From Glow Skin Beauty. Calm and Soothe Anti-Stress CBD Drops. Give it. 1,000 milligram CBD and adaptogen calming serum. Alright. Calm, soothe, and adapt with 1,000 milligrams of full-spectrum CBD and a therapeutic adaptogen complex. Consciously formulated free of fragrance dyes, talc, parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, the serum benefits even the most sensitive of skin. Vegan and cruelty-free. Apply drops apply drops directly after cleansing and toning twice daily. And that's with 1,000 milligrams of CBD, and they tell you to use it twice daily. Should have definitely opened this box sooner, like, while I was still working. Could have used that, but oh well. Anyway, so that's the last thing in that box. And maybe actually, with the exception of that palette, maybe the thing I'm most excited about from it. So, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.